Did you know that a simple trick using baking soda can change the energy in your home? According to Buddhist teachings, placing baking soda in your freezer is a strong way to guard your home from negative energy, jealousy, and even the evil eye. But what actually happens when you do this? In this video, you'll learn how this simple practice can push away negative energies and even send them back to where they came from. By watching, you'll uncover the spiritual meaning behind this ritual and how it can help create a lighter, safer environment. If things feel off, if you sense someone might wish you harm, or if you just want to keep your home clean of unwanted energy, then this is the perfect video for you. Have you ever felt drained by envious looks or felt a cloud of negative energy around you? Discover how this practice, based on Buddhist wisdom, could help you turn that negativity around and bring peace into your daily life. Stay with me and learn this simple but powerful secret. If you enjoy this type of content and want to keep getting strong tips like this, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is crucial to keep bringing content like this to you. Before we dive in, comment below with, "I believe in the power of good energies," or "My house is protected from all negativity," to start a wave of protection and positivity in the comments together. The practice of using baking soda to clean spaces and guard against negative energy isn't new. It's based on ancient Buddhist teachings, which always aimed to keep energy balanced around them. In Buddhist philosophy, everything, living beings, objects, and places, has an energy that can be shaped by both positive and negative thoughts and intentions. To keep this energy high and stop negative energy from lingering, Buddhists developed many rituals. Some are simple but powerful, like using baking soda. Baking soda is known as a natural absorber of heavy vibrations. It can neutralize negative charges and restore balance to a space. Buddhists believed that to invite prosperity and peace into their lives, it was vital to keep their homes and surroundings free of energy that could create obstacles. Using natural elements like coarse salt and baking soda became common for cleansing. Baking soda, in particular, was often used in cleaning rituals to soak up any dense energy in the area. By placing it in a cold spot like the freezer, they believed the low temperature enhanced its effect, creating a barrier against negative vibrations and raising the energy in the space. This practice does more than just keep away negative energy. It also opens the door for prosperity to enter. Performing rituals like Buddhist monks has a clear purpose: to keep the mind and spirit connected to peace and calmness. By maintaining high energies, it's easier to bring more abundance and success into every part of life, whether it's harmony in relationships, growth in business, or inner peace. Cleansing with baking soda can help create an environment that welcomes good opportunities. Buddhists understand that keeping energy clean allows a fuller, more mindful life to flourish, where prosperity has room to grow. Often, negative energy affecting us isn't intentional. Even friends or loved ones, though they mean well, can sometimes give off feelings of envy without knowing it. It could be from a comment about your new car, your recent home purchase, or even a compliment on your weight loss. These feelings of comparison or personal dissatisfaction can fill the atmosphere with heavy energy, which, if left unchecked, might start to interfere with your happiness and goals. This is where the baking soda in the freezer becomes a powerful helper. Doing purification rituals like this is important for those who want balance in their lives and to protect what they have worked for. Just like we sweep our floors, it's also important to cleanse the energies that gather, especially when the space feels heavy or when things seem to go wrong without any clear reason. The ritual with baking soda not only cleans up, but also stops negative energy from building up and becoming a barrier to our joy and progress. Practices like these help us set up a protective shield around ourselves and our achievements, whether from comparisons or even unintentional feelings. We often find ourselves affected by energies that block our progress. Envy, even if hidden, can show up in many forms: a casual comment, a surprised look, or even a compliment that feels out of place. These energies build up in our homes and lives, creating a sense of tiredness and heaviness that we can't always explain. That's why methods like the baking soda technique can help shield us, keeping our spaces clean and vibrating at a higher frequency to attract positivity. Baking soda is far more than a kitchen staple. Its unique chemical qualities make it a powerful agent for cleansing and purifying, used in cultures around the world for centuries. With its alkaline properties, it neutralizes acids and odors, making it a household favorite for cleaning, deodorizing, and even natural skin care. But beyond these uses, many believe baking soda has an energetic role too, absorbing negative vibes around you, purifying the space, and restoring the balance in your home's energy. By practicing this technique, you can shift the energy in your home, creating a space that feels lighter and more prosperous. Scientifically, baking soda is valued for balancing pH and neutralizing unwanted substances. It's excellent for cleaning tough stains, deodorizing, and removing unseen dirt from surfaces. Yet its power goes beyond science. It's one of the oldest, simplest tools for energy cleansing, and is used in rituals for purifying spaces and blocking negativity. Now imagine having a home where negative energies simply can't linger, a place where you feel light, motivated, and uplifted every day. Baking soda can help create this environment, not only cleaning the physical space, but acting as an energy filter that attracts prosperity while repelling anything that blocks your path. If you're looking to change the energy of your home and life, this technique might be what you need. Now that you know the power of baking soda for energetic purification, it's time to learn how to carry out this ritual at home. This process involves more than just putting baking soda in the freezer. It includes setting intentions, preparing correctly, and using a specific time frame to allow the energy cleansing to go deep. By following each step with purpose, you create a strong ritual that can transform your home's atmosphere, clear out negative energies, and create a protected, prosperous space. Let's go through each step to make sure you get the full benefits of this practice. Before starting, choose a small container, ideally made of glass or ceramic, as these natural materials conduct energy well. Place 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda in the container, ensuring it covers the bottom fully. Before placing it in the freezer, consecrate the baking soda with your intentions. Hold the container in both hands, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and visualize negative energy being absorbed by the baking soda. During this moment, say out loud or in your mind what you wish to cleanse and protect yourself from. Perhaps words like, "I remove all bad energy, the evil eye, envy, negative thoughts, and any negative charge around me." Let your words carry your intention of protection and cleansing. After setting your intentions with the baking soda, place it in the freezer. The freezer acts as a cold, still environment that helps freeze and neutralize the negative energies the baking soda will absorb. Put the container in a secure spot where it won't be disturbed, and leave it there for exactly 7 nights, a number that many cultures see as symbolizing a full cycle of transformation and renewal. During this time, the baking soda will absorb the dense vibrations that were aimed at you or were building up in your space. Keep a positive outlook during these 7 nights. Avoid arguments or anger at home and focus on positive thoughts. This mindset strengthens the energy field around you, making the ritual even more effective. Each morning, visualize that the baking soda is actively filtering and removing negative energy from your space, creating a protective barrier around you. Imagine all negative charges being absorbed and neutralized. leaving your home in harmony and safe from disturbances. After the 7 nights, it's time to remove the baking soda from the freezer, ideally in the morning when the day's energy is fresh. Hold the container again with both hands and give thanks for the work the baking soda has done. This gratitude helps close the ritual and releases the absorbed energies. Then, dispose of the baking soda outside your home, preferably in an outdoor trash can, to ensure all negative energy leaves your space. While discarding it, you might say, "I release all negative energies absorbed by this baking soda. May my home remain clean and protected." During the 7 nights that the baking soda is in the freezer, you may notice a subtle shift in how you feel. In the first few days, a sense of tiredness or heaviness in your body is common. This happens as the baking soda absorbs negative energies, working to clear out denser vibrations around you. This initial fatigue is a sign that the ritual is working, as the unwanted energies are being pulled away and neutralized by the baking soda. Don't worry if you feel a bit more tired in these early days. It means the cleansing is in progress. As the days pass and the baking soda continues its cleansing, you'll start to feel a lightness filling your home. This change becomes noticeable in small ways. When waking up, you may feel more rested, and the air around you may seem fresher. This sense of lightness reflects the baking soda's action of absorbing and removing the dense vibrations weighing on you. Each night, it's as though a layer of negativity is being lifted, allowing you to reconnect with your energy in a fuller and calmer way. For those who struggle with anxiety, this technique can be especially helpful. The heaviness and restlessness that often come with anxiety can ease up as the space around you becomes more harmonious, free from negative energy. The baking soda creates a more balanced environment that can calm your mind by reducing energies that heighten stress and tension. This may leave you feeling more centered and better equipped to handle daily challenges. It's a way to care not only for your home, but also for your emotional well-being. Additionally, this ritual can support those facing sadness or depression. By neutralizing negative energies and creating a more positive space, it can improve your mood and emotions significantly. When surrounded by lighter vibrations, the sense of emotional burden often lessens, allowing you to connect more deeply with small joys in everyday life. This ritual acts as a form of spiritual cleansing, helping you manage your thoughts and feelings with more ease. You may also notice an improvement in sleep quality. Each night, as the baking soda works to balance energies, a sense of calm may arise, helping you feel more comfortable and secure at bedtime. This deeper rest allows you to wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day with more energy. While the ritual may seem simple, its impact on your routine is profound and can transform how you feel within your home. When the 7-night ritual is complete, you may feel a noticeable difference in the atmosphere and within yourself. It's as if a weight has been lifted, allowing lightness and tranquility to take over. This process serves as a moment of renewal, helping you reconnect with your inner strength and feel better prepared for life's challenges. By removing negative energies that don't belong to you, you create space for prosperity, peace, and happiness to flow more easily into your life. Once you've completed the baking soda ritual, a great shift has occurred in your home's energy. Like any cleansing practice, this renewal needs to be maintained for lasting effects. Regular repetition of the ritual, such as once a month or during seasonal transitions, ensures that good energies stay while negative ones don't build up. Another good time to repeat the ritual is after events that brought stress into the home, such as arguments, tough days, or visits from people who may have left a denser energy. When these moments arise, the baking soda ritual can restore balance, ensuring that these energies don't linger. Just as we regularly clean our home's surfaces, keeping its energetic space fresh is equally important. For those who want to strengthen these effects and maintain a steady state of energetic protection, consider combining the baking soda ritual with other practices. For example, you could burn incense like sage or rosemary for its purifying properties, or place a glass of water with coarse salt in a corner to absorb dense energies. Together, these practices form a protective shield for your home, keeping negative influences at bay. Beyond these cleansing routines, it's helpful to keep your own energy high. Daily habits like meditation, expressing gratitude, and focusing on positive thoughts enhance the baking soda ritual's impact. When we keep our hearts and minds set on gratitude and positivity, we create an energy field that attracts good things and repels what doesn't serve us. Cultivating a light, optimistic mindset amplifies the effects of the baking soda, turning your home into a sanctuary of peace and prosperity. Finally, remember that true protection and prosperity come from a mix of actions. Energetic cleansing with baking soda is a powerful step, but maintaining positive attitudes and avoiding negative conversation, keeping a light heart and choosing to live with love every day will make a big difference in your life. By doing this, you'll naturally build a shield of positive energy around yourself that goes far beyond any ritual. This inner transformation is what truly brings lasting peace and prosperity, letting you live more freely and connected to what matters most. I hope you enjoyed learning about this powerful purification ritual with baking soda and how it can transform the energy in your home and life. If this content resonated with you and gave you fresh insights on protecting yourself from negative energies, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support means so much to me. It helps me continue sharing valuable tips like this, helping you create a more positive and harmonious environment. Each like and subscription spreads this message to more people who also need a touch of light and protection in their lives. Besides leaving a like, feel free to share this video with someone you think needs more peace and protection in their home. Imagine the good you could bring by sharing this knowledge with someone who feels overwhelmed, low on energy, or ready for a positive shift. Together we can build a chain of good energy and help make a difference in many lives. Never underestimate the power of a small gesture, like sending this video to a friend or family member. It could be the key to a big change for them. I'd love to know. Have you ever tried an energy cleansing ritual at home? Leave a comment and share your experience. I enjoy reading each story and learning from you as well. If you've tried the baking soda ritual, let me know how it was for you in those first few days, and if you felt any change in your home's energy. Your stories mean a lot to me and could inspire others looking for a lighter and more protected life. Let's make the comments section a space for sharing, where everyone can share what they've learned and how they maintain their good energy. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I have many more tips and insights to help you lift your energy and live more fully, feeling at peace with yourself. Stay tuned, as each video will bring a new step in this journey of self-discovery and spiritual protection. Your presence here is very special to me, and I hope you continue with me, learning and growing every day. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep your energy high, and remember, what you send out into the universe comes back to you in double.